So ito guys, subukan na natin yung nabuo nating Life 4 S168. Ayan po siya. Tatry na natin. Kabitan ko na rin po ng active balancer. Ayan guys. Wala ito yung active inverter. Sela 2,200 watts.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me.
Yung battery ulit. Play Solar Philippines. Yan guys. Nalito yung off yung solar sa parang pizza. Yung solar ko po. Sa labas. Medyo naulan eh, may bagyo. 25 watts. Para isang panel per panel. Yan po guys. Ayos.